Hi everyone, my name is Nevaeh Shugart. I am 20 years old. I am a junior this year. I am a transfer student from the University of Northwestern Ohio. Um, this is my first year taking early education classes. That is my major, early education, from ages 0 to 3rd grade, so really looking forward to that. Some facts about me are this is my first year since 7th grade not playing volleyball. So, actually, my freshman year, I started off at Ferris State University in Big Rapids, Michigan, as an outside hitter on a full ride. My second year, so my sophomore year at the University of Northwestern Ohio, I was also an outside hitter, also on a full ride. And my third year now as a junior, I kind of fell off the love for volleyball and didn't really see myself really going anywhere. And I felt like at the University of Northwestern Ohio, I really wasn't going to school for anything that I was genuinely going to do with my future. I was going to school for sports management and marketing. So this year I packed up, I headed home, did what my heart and my gut told me to do, and nothing wrong with that. So now I'm living with my parents, going to school, working, making the best of it. I graduated from Leo High School in 2020, so I'm from the Fort Wayne area. Some more facts about me is I have two sisters, one older and one younger. My youngest sister does go to Leo High School now. She's a sophomore, so that's pretty cool, carrying on the family tradition there a little bit. Um, Let me see. Another one is I have two dogs, Rooney and Roscoe. Roscoe is a Boston Terrier. He's my favorite. Rooney is a Chihuahua mixed. I'm not sure what she's mixed with. But, yeah. I like to travel. We go to Disney a lot. That's kind of like my family's thing, is traveling, seeing the world. We went to Cancun for spring break last year. We really love the beach. I love the beach. But I am really looking forward to this semester and my first time as a Mastodon. So, yeah, go Dons.